All right, so give you a little bit of a help on your homework here. So auto investment portfolio consists of shares of internet stock and copper stock. During the year, the value of his internet share increased 10%, but the value of the copper stock share decreased from 10,000 to 9,000. During the same year, the total value of his portfolio increased by 6%. What was the dollar value of the internet share at the end of the same year? So we can let X be the initial value of his stock. So this is just the internet stock, okay, at the beginning of the year. And the total value of his portfolio at that point would have been X plus that initial 10,000 before it decreased 1,000. At the end of the year, the total value of his portfolio, remember, it increased by 10%. So that part of everything, just kind of like making the other equation, it went up 10%. So it's the initial one full 100% plus the 10%. So if you think about it, it stayed 100% and it went up 10%, making 110%. When you jump it back, that's where the 1.1 comes into play. So we can take off that zero. And we don't know the initial value yet. And remember, it went down to 9,000 because it decreased, even though it was the internet share increased 10%, the value of the copper stock decreased. So we have 1.1x plus 9,000. Now, it said since increasing by 6%, so we're increasing by 6%, we increase by 6%, that means 1.06 is going to come out somewhere. So we have to increase this piece, the initial amount. So that's taking the 1 and 600ths and multiplying this. So we're making it that many times bigger. And then that's got to equal this other piece of what it's going to become. Okay. And so this should be a good hint to get distributing. Now remember, when you start to distribute, then you're going to bring numbers to one side, the letters to the other side, and then you're going to solve for X. After you solve for X, then don't forget, it wants to know at the end of the year. So at the end of the year, we have to put that into the 1.1 of this. So whatever you get for X, don't forget to solve the 1 and 1/10 of that X. So whatever you get the X, take that value, plug it in here to get your final answer. I hope that helped jumpstart you guys a little bit. The other question I took out because it was actually missing a piece of information. So that I hope helps. And I will see you guys on Tuesday.